to reset all settings on iPhone without losing data. So here is how to do so. First of all, open settings. From your home screen, simply tap on these settings. Now, once in there, all you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Now at the bottom of the general, you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Tap on reset. Now from the menu, select reset all settings and enter your device passcode if prompted and tap reset all settings again to confirm. So what it does is reset system settings such as Wi-Fi passwords, wallpaper, home screen layout, location, and privacy settings. Also Apple Pay cards to default. It keeps your photos, apps, contacts, and files safe with no data loss. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.